Well, alright guys, we're here at, it's hard to focus on this thing, 61% of the print. How many hours? I don't know, but not a lot considering I just started the print earlier this morning. With a little luck, it'll be done soon, but as you can see here, it's perfectly hollow inside, or can't see, I don't know, perfectly hollow inside. It's a glow-in-the-dark wing. It's going to be even lighter than the ones that we tested out in the past, and we're going to see how well this actually runs. Of course, it's just one of the wings, and as you can see here, there's not a whole lot of distortion or aberrations. It's actually printing amazingly well. The only lines that you're going to see are caused by the model being low poly. But that's just the way I like to do things, because when you keep it low poly, you can make
Likey